Have you wondered why changes take time when you've reported issues that need addressed by a VA partner sending data? In this short video, we'll talk about education, adoption, and implementation to help you understand the process of software change from beginning to end. We will help the viewer understand the process VHE uses to engage and educate a vendor or partner, understand the internal process of the vendor or partner to realize and adopt a data quality program, understand the implementation of change through the software change management process and distribution to the client. The software development lifecycle, including change management, is a process for planning, defining, designing, coding, testing, and deploying a software system. The cycle displayed here shows concurrent tracks of education to adoption to implementation and configuration change through the change management process. Also displayed is the relationship between a vendor, partner, and the VA. Education through engagement. The VHE Exchange Partner and Networks team brokers an introduction to the VHE Data Quality team. In turn, the Data Quality team reaches out to schedule a series of meetings to discuss the data quality analysis. Scheduling these meetings can sometimes take a while depending on vendor or partner response. Those that fail to respond are followed up with by the Exchange Partner and Networks team to jumpstart the dialogue. After a vendor or partner responds, consideration must be given to schedule the meeting far enough in advance to allow the data quality team analysts time to gather the data and known issues for research and analysis. Once the observations have been recorded, then the team must prepare the deliverables, including a clinical review workbook and presentation. The lead time consists at a minimum of 2 weeks. Now that all the research, analysis, and materials have been prepared, it's time to educate the vendor or partner on the data quality team's observations of their content and its clinical usability. The data quality team provides them with the tools and support they need to transform the data quality content to higher quality and complete patient records that support veteran and clinician encounters. Now the ball is in their court. The vendor or partner contact understands the why, and now they need to determine the how. The contact must go through internal channels and make a case to secure resources to adopt and implement a data quality change process in their software development lifecycle. Researching, planning, estimating, and implementing a new process effort takes time, but it's worth it. By developing the process that leads to more accurate and clinically actionable data, the clinician will better trust the data, and that leads to more interpersonal time with the patient, which in turn contributes to improved patient outcomes. The change management process includes a sequence of steps or activities that move a change from inception to delivery. The data quality process that was developed for integration into the software development lifecycle must follow a software change management roadmap. This roadmap identifies the beginning, the route to be taken, and the destination. Due diligence is carried out along this path and decisions made on whether to proceed or to go back to the client for further clarification and refinement of the requirements. Once the change has been approved to move forward, it goes to the development team for configuration before it can be scheduled for implementation. Having confirmed the change schedule, the software quality analyst must conduct quality assurance tests to verify everything works correctly. There are many factors that influence the timeline, but the journey isn't over yet. If the quality assurance team is happy with the testing of the new change, the team is ready to pass on the good news. The change is ready to be put through its paces in a pilot test. If the new change fails the pilot test, it must go back to the development team to work out the bugs, be tested, and piloted again. If it passes, then it's ready for deployment to everyone. But depending on the update schedule of each client, the distribution generally happens at different times according to their cycle. In partnership, the VHE teams actively manage vendor and partner relationships, success, and experience by increasing their awareness of and participation in the VHE data quality service. Once the vendor or partner has embraced a process for data quality improvement and are vested in initiating those improvements, they are scheduled for recurring meetings to facilitate positive momentum, ongoing support, and deeper analysis. Working together, we can achieve great things.